Welcome back to my channel. We are playing with makeup. We are trying some old favorites to create this makeup look. I wanted to go through some of my collection and dig to the back and see why I loved some of these products so much before and create a makeup look with them. So if you guys are interested and curious in seeing what my old favorites were and how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching, and if you could, it would be amazing to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and hit the notification so you know when I am uploading more content. That would be so greatly appreciated. So if you guys want to see the makeup, then just keep watching. All right, let's start off with foundation. I'm going in with the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade Light Medium. I loved this for summer a few seasons ago. It smells really good. It smells like coconutty and gives you a really nice glow all over. And yeah, this was definitely one that I was reaching for all the time. Makes you look really hydrated and gives you some good coverage. And super easy just to blend out onto the skin. This was probably like my journey into more of a skin tint rather than a foundation. But absolutely love the smell of this one. And you can still get it, so if you want to try it out, it is a good one. Especially for summer. Go in with a classic contour wand. This one from Anastasia Beverly Hills is like the perfect cooler tone for sculpting out and contouring. It's in the shade Mink, and I used this like so much. Still so rich and pigmented, very emollient. It blends out beautifully. It really has like that cool undertone that you want for contouring. So it just really pairs well when you have a nice cool contour and then you go in with a warm bronzer. Like that is the perfect contour shade. Still so good. The concealer that held a special place in my heart for so long was the Maybelline Fit Me. I have not reached for this one in a long time just because I've been trying out so many different concealers and finding new favorites, but I wanted to go back and try this one out. This one is in the shade Light. So we'll give this a try and see if it still has that special spot. This one was always so light and easy to blend out. Gave me enough coverage and hydration and just an affordable concealer that looks so nice on the skin. Blend it out with my Real Techniques brush. This one is just a constant favorite. I have never put it down since purchasing it. Oh yeah. Maybelline Fit Me, eh? Like, sometimes it's good to just pull out some old favorites and try them again, and you just realize why you love them so much. This actually gives really good coverage while still looking light on the skin. Look at that, perfect. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with a powder bronzer. This one is from Hard Candy Instant Summer. I think I was using this one a lot last year. This one is very loved. It is just so pigmented and has that warm reddish tan, and it is just so beautiful. Like, it lasts and it just complements the skin, anyone, I think. Like, if you want an instant tan, I think that's why it's instant summer, because it is instantaneous. The pigment in this one. See how nice that looks with the coolness from the contour and then the warmth from the bronzer. For my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this mini palette that I picked up not too long ago. I just haven't really used it, so I wanted to try it out again. This one is from Makeup Revolution London, and it is in the shade Nude About You. So I'm just gonna go in with these two neutral colors here just to create a really simple eye look. And I'm gonna start off with my Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. Just a fluffy brush that's not going to pick up an immense amount of product, but just enough. I'm going to go into the warmest shade right here. It's got a lot of golden undertones to it, and I'm going to buff that into my crease and then on my brow bone. Just warming up this part of the eye that has a lot of coolness to it. Softening the brow bone, concealing some of those bluish veins. That's just a really pretty neutral, really nice warm neutral. If you want more of a golden look going on, you could always just use your bronzer too. I'm going to take my brush from Mud. This is an 800S brush. This is a little bit more rounded and a little bit more dense, so it's going to pick up a little bit more pigment, and I'm going to go into the neutral tone right here, and we're going to place that just all over the lid. And that's how simple we're going to keep the eye look. Sometimes with deep set eyes, it's nice to just go in with a medium and a lighter color and not really add any browns or any darkness or any depth, because we already have our crease and a lot of shape to our eyes. So just putting on something light is, especially just for an everyday look, sometimes you just want to clean up the eye, make it look a little bit more awake, and that's really all you need is a medium and a lighter tone. I'm gonna do blush now. I was always using this one back in the day. This is Paaaarty from Tarte. This is just a really pretty neutral blush. Just adds to whatever kind of bronzer you're wearing and has the perfect amount of kind of pink and neutral in it, just to give you a little bit more, like enhance your tan, enhance the glow. Another old favorite is this lip liner from M.A.C. This is in the shade Oak. This is probably another one of the lip liners that I can just pair on its own without having to put a cooler tone underneath, like a contour with an eyebrow pencil or contour. This one looks really good on the lips, and it is very loved. I didn't have my old favorite, the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, so I just used the telescopic, but this is the final look. I am definitely doing this makeup look tomorrow for work. I remember why I was in love with these products. It just creates such a nice, natural, like fresh, I don't know. I just love the way the makeup came out. So I am going to be trying this again tomorrow. I will link the products that I used if you want to shop them for yourself. Let me know if any of these are your old favorites or what your old favorites are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.